누가 누군지 think you're running that guess we're going now yeah talk here yeah 하나 둘셋
On the way to the concert.
Sinong concert?
Say hi. Sam. Keisha.
First appearance. Oo nga, no. First appearance natin.
First appearance in vlog.
Nakakaano naman? Nakaka-pressure.
Are you guys excited? I'm so excited! Fine. Nails muna. While waiting. Studying while waiting.
Updating about our stupidity.
Ay, ito.
Just got here in LA. Ang priority.
Before we eat, they gotta eat first. The feed that they eat.
In-N-Out Burger! We're near the airport still.
Yan.
Inuna yung In-N-Out bago yung Airbnb.
Yun! Parang empty to masyado. Parang ito dapat ang empty. Double.
Kanya-kanyang vlog.
Kanya-kanyang vlog, girl.
Behind the scenes pala yung vlog ko.
Lang. Pinapatawa ko ni Pearl. Di na tuloy tayo sabay.
What do you rate? What do you rate?
Cheers. Animal style fries.
Rate it.
Medyo malamig na. So, mga
Oh,
8 out of 10.
ikaw, first time.
Wala akong panlasa.
Oy.
First time ko na lang ako magasahan.
Sad naman.
Maybe it's... Girl, pa-airdrop na lang. Itaob ko yan eh.
Just got here in our Airbnb. It's dirty now. It's makalat now. It's not dirty. It's just makalat.
Shrooms. Never have I ever shroomed.
Let's film Ella. Charis. Night one. Pak, sino ka dyan? Maganda muna bago.
Overnight. Gising na lang eh.
Ay, naguto yung isa.
Guys, may energy na ulit ako.
Ang tawag dyan, investment. Di ba kung
Nagmamarinate na siya, guys.
Grabe yun. Overnight.
Let her cook. Alright, everybody. See you sa concert.
Uy, magagala pa ang buko. Hindi na tayo magkikita, Pearl.
Gagala pa ako.
Eh.
Tara, 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 tara.
Tiyo.
Ay, may tao sa baba. Aray, gusto ko to.
Yan yung ano kanina mamamatay-matay na sa hilo. Ano yung bintana? Ay. Sorry na. DIY.
Para walang peeping tom.
Girl sting.
Guys, this is like my first meal. Kasi,
Bawal mo.
after the plane landed earlier,
Ano yung strategically placed yan?
after the plane landed earlier, I threw up. Like, ew. Who is that?
Totoo ako eh. Uy, bawal. Strategically placed ang ano niya.
Currently, right now. What time is it? It's 6:24. Ah, my baby! She cooked. She cooked. Woke up at 5. Woke up like this.
Guys, ang usapan, 7. We're currently 13 minutes behind schedule.
Sorry na.
It's okay, it's okay.
Uy, 7 pa rin naman.
Introduce your outfit.
Ano bang aesthetic nito?
Where's it from?
Oh, where's it from?
Yeah.
Hindi pala aesthetic.
All I know is the shoes is from Adidas. This is from Amazon, the bag.
Top.
And then I think both from Shein.
Ooh. Next.
Next.
Shein. Nike. Coach. Puma.
The glasses.
Shein.
Okay, I'll go.
Sponsor.
Okay, guys. Shein, Nike. Shein, Ray-Ban.
May isa talagang mahal. Isa lang.
Hi! My mom's closet, Uniqlo, ano to? New Balance, and Gentle Monster.
Okay, let's go. It's currently 7:14.
Huwag na i-off.
First day, and later we're gonna go to the concert. But we're gonna make ikot first.
Ano to?
Today.
Santa Monica Pier.
Santa Monica Pier, and then where?
The Grove.
The Grove, and then where?
And then we're gonna head back here to get ready for the concert. Ay, sorry.
Ay, puti ka, mag-lunch mo na.
Ratatata.
Where are we gonna
Ratatata. It's too early, but serving looks already.
Hey, this is the breakfast.
Ratatata. Mamaya doon gagawin.
Hindi, jump nga.
Kami ni Keisha. I know. I'll be like. We're here na you all. Santa Monica Pier. Yarr. Walang tao ang aga pa. Gusto ko yan.
Tinatawag ako ng camera ni Pearl.
Oo. Saan mo magwawang? Ay, kala ko walk na. Sige, tawid. Tawid ka na, te. Try mo
ka
na.
namin.
Uy, sali ka na doon.
Ayan po.
Laro.
Naka-new balance ano.
Look at the view, y'all. The view is viewing. Daming tao na, oh. I mean, not so much, but like, a lot still.
Wait
And-
lang yung vlog ko, nakalimutan ko na.
Masyado siyang focus sa jogging niya.
Naiwanan na kasi ako ng grupo ko kanina.
Dapat ang takbo mo pala dito sa
They're not open though, all of them. Because it's what? 8 a.m.?
Time check.
7:46. Aga namin, guys. Get pictures. Look how cute y'all. I was here last year, but I didn't get to vlog it, so let's vlog it now.
You didn't have your camera there.
Yeah, I don't have my DJI before. Gusto ko to walang tao. Nung pumunta kami, daming tao. Pumunta lang dito for the pictures.
Exactly. Yung picture natin, $40.
Not bad. Ano? Rate mo siya out of 10.
It's mid.
How is LA so far?
Okay, guys.
How's Cali so far?
It's mid.
We're at the cafe right now. Double chocolate chip muffin. 10 out of 10?
No, it's 8.
What about yours?
10. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Looks so good.
The coffee is so
Ang
good.
sarap nito.
Sarap.
The best yung kay Sam?
Hindi ko naman na-try yung kay Ella.
At chocolate lang.
Hindi ka ba
Sugar.
We're taking the bus now.
Eh,
The ghetto life.
Where's the castle ba?
Going to the Grove.
pinapababa lang naman kinain namin.
Ito, ikaganon ko na lang siya.
It's really cold right now.
Pwede na, no?
Yeah.
I mean, it's
Tingnan
still
niyo, super,
9:39
may
a.m. My goosebumps is goosebumpsing. Huh?
Goosebumpsing.
A day in my life as a
Vlogger. As a content
Travel influencer.
first time mag-try ng transit sa LA.
May payo, sige.
Ayun, no?
Ah, dito na agad. Mga 3 stops lang. Farmer's Market, y'all! Ay, ay, ay!
Eh,
May potential to. May potential to.
Passion.
yes. Is this the farmer's market at LA or Seattle?
Guys, we're at Seattle now.
Yeah,
Washington
nag-teleport kami, guys.
Tabi, nandito na yung mga ingay. Pinoy pala, no?
Parang may announcement na nandito na kami.
We're in the Grove na. Hindi pa open yung mga mall.
Guys, masyado kami we're too early.
Biglang naging English.
Sorry, you have to acclimatize, you know?
What's acclimatize?
Next question, please.
The damage.
We're on our way to Airborne.
How much was the damage?
126?
God.
Ay, hindi ko alam. Basta 126 yung total.
Oh, USD.
Wala kasing ganito sa Canada, guys. Kaya bumili na ako. On the way to Erwan? Erwan, na dito na kami.
Very local ang outfit na. Buti na lang pala, hindi ako
Okay, thoughts?
May kalasa siyang candy. It tastes like that one candy from the Philippines. Yung pink with yung swirl.
Let me try.
You haven't tried it?
Ano yung candy?
Ay, yun pala guys. I thought you tried it na.
Hindi, yung parang Dutch milk.
Ay, na-try ko na pala to.
Okay, guys, my thoughts.
It tastes like a smoothie.
No,
Strawberry
because-
banana smoothie.
No, it's
Hindi
more
ko
like
lang sa
banana.
candy.
It's more...
Where are we? Huh?
Agashi.
Yung favorite place ng BTS sa LA na kumain. Look at that!
Patapos na.
So good. Yeah.
Hindi ako...
Sarap, guys. The service is 10 out of 10. Same. Are you all ready? Our Lisa. Jisoo.
Jesus na itong natagay.
Jenny.
Tara na.
How about you?
Video kita.
Hindi ako si Rosie.
How about you?
Brats.
Brats, yes. Look at the shoes. Bakit?
Ito, Rosie.
Waiting for lift. Busy sila. Hindi ko madala yung DJI ko. So bear with my phone, y'all.
What song are you most excited for?
Like Jenny and do.
Mantra. Just that particular month.
With the IE.
Hello, this had may special guest for dapat na.
Yeah.
Bruno Mars, we're talking about you.
This is us before the concert.
Fresh.
Cutie.
Pretty. Demure.
The fit is giving.
We got freebies.
Ganito pala pang maganda dito sa atin.
Holy shit.
Stadium.
Look at our seats.
So close.
Where's the stage? Where's the stage?
Where's the stage? Where's the stage? Right there.
Just imagine being
Ayan na. Ang daming tao, everybody. Everybody, ang daming tao. Yaong! Yaong! I'm excited, yaong! Ginom talaga eh. Ikaw. After. Nawala si Lisa.
Ano na?
Si Mona Lisa na lang.
Makikilinit girl na ako.
Hindi na rockstar.
Haggard na ang mga person. It's currently 11 p.m. Still can't find any Uber.
Homeless car.
Give up na.
Soldier.
It's time to leave. How's your trip?
Tired. Go, Lisa!
Bagsak lahat kagabi. I slept right away. Going home na, guys. Tapos na kumain. Currently 10:30. Boarding is 11.
Okay, so who was your bias before the concert?
Grabe, ang pula, be.
No way, it's okay.
My bias is Lisa.
Before the concert.
My bias wrecker is Jenny. Pero na-inlove ulit ako kay Lisa.
Oh my God, yung...
Paano, gi? Tinap-top bottom ka ba naman?
Pangin naman isa. Ay, in a good way.
Ano siyang masarap.
Totoo.
Confirm.
Real. Like, guys,
Pero si Jisoo ang ganda.
oh my God. I was leaning towards Jenny before the concert.
Yeah, me too.
I was like, pero Rose and Lisa talaga ako. Tapos pinatunayan ni Lisa kahapon kung bakit siya yung unang naging bias talaga.
Who was your bias? Bias wrecker?
Okay. Jisoo. Pero ever since nung pinanood ko yung Born Pink, I was like, Lisa is my bias writer. Pero ngayon parang Lisa is my bias.
Revelation.
Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding.
Yung sabay ah.
Nabakla siya dun.
Pero mahal ko pa rin si Jisoo. May one true love. Napagpalit si Jisoo. Uy,
Only Lalisa Manoban can do that to you.
grabe guys. Pag nakita nyo talaga live, it will change your life.
Yeah, it's life-changing.
Alter ego.
Yes.
How about you?
Bias? My bias is Rosie. Breaker Jenny. Basic bitch. Yes. Jenny.
Who did you end up with after that?
Still, actually, mas Jenny ako last night. Pero grabe ka, Lisa. Wala akong videos ng solo niya, guys. Ganun kalala.
Pakita ba natin? Lisa,
Grabe yung sigaw. Grabe talaga.
wait lang. Guys. Ay, wait. Ulit.
Oh, fuck. Sino ka dyan?
Hello?
Ginaalog ko niya. Sige.
Nakina na, maghawak kami kamay nun eh. Hindi kami makabilib na yun nakikita namin.
Nakikita niyo ba yan, guys?
Isa hindi okay. Ginagawa ko. Sabi niya lang.